Alright, so today I'm taking you to one of West Africa's most incredible natural wonders. Hidden in the mountains of Ghana's Volta region, Wli Waterfalls has attracted a huge number of visitors from around the world. Let's find out why this place is so special. The journey to Wli Waterfalls begins long before you see the water. Visitors follow a scenic trail through a lush tropical forest, surrounded by towering trees, birdsong, and breathtaking mountain views. Located near the Ghana-Togo border, Wli is home to the tallest waterfall in the whole of West Africa. For many travelers, the hike itself is part of the adventure. To learn more about the history and what visitors should know before exploring the falls, I spoke to the local guide.
Wli Agumatsa Waterfall is actually the tallest waterfall in West Africa. So this waterfall was actually founded by hunters in the year 1876. You know, back in those days, the occupation here was hunting. So during the hunters
Expedition.
expedition, they discovered this waterfall.
Okay.
So the means in which they used to discover this waterfall was you know, like they put their ears on the ground. That was the means of hearing from afar.
Okay.
So during their hunting, they put their ears on the ground to listen from afar, and that was the means they used to discover the waterfall. And when they did that, the waterfall was actually like a talking drum, it was falling like a drum.
Okay.
So they followed the trace of the sound, and behold, it was a waterfall. And also we have like two packages of the fall. We have the upper fall and the lower fall. Also the lower fall is an easy walk which takes like 45. It's a level ground walk. You are not going to climb the mountain. It's just totally flat. You can actually walk to the place without climbing the mountain instead. And also, most people who are very, old, they used to take motorbikes. Yeah,
Motorbikes to bring you
motorbikes
here.
that will bring you here. The upper fall is a long hike which take like 6 hours, and the upper hike is for people who are like fit, people who are how do I say
Maybe they have the cardio
yeah, the
fitness. Very,
cardio fitness
yeah.
to do. It's not for people who are like old people. Although old people, some people do it, but as I say already, people who are the cardio to do it, you'll be able to do it. And the upper hike, it's a hike which takes like 6 hours. And for the hike, you have to come early in the morning. You have to be fully prepared. You have to have your water, snacks, sunscreen, and whatever you think is comfortable for you for the hiking. Uh-huh. And also the waterfall is actually in between Ghana and Togo. So we and the Togolese we have access to the waterfall. So
Okay.
when you hike to the upper fall, you can see the water like make a demarcation like the other side of the mountain like Togo and here Ghana. So
Okay.
usually when we go there, we see our brother the Togolese other side of the mountain, and sometimes we greet each other and stuff like that. And we and the Togolese we speak the same dialect, which is Ewe. So sometimes when we get there, and some of them will be like bonjour, and I'll be like, no man, let's speak Ewe. So you can actually speak Ewe with them also. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then I learned this for like it flows all year round.
Yeah, it flows all year round because this waterfall has like a multiple source. You know, the main source is actually like from the beneath the ground.
Okay.
But on its way coming, there's a different from the Togo side join, like small rivers join it. So this like flow every year round. Even if the main source stop, there are others supplying it. I like some waterfalls like Boti. Some in the dry season when you go, you don't see waterfall, but this one
Flows
flows
all
every
year
year round.
round.
Yeah.
Okay. So I heard you mentioning the sunscreen. As in if people are coming, what precautions should they take? Um Here when we're coming, I noticed they weren't insects.
Yeah.
Or do they come around sometimes the insects?
Okay, yeah, the insects they do come around, especially when you are you're hiking and you sweat a lot. There's some particular insects. They are very small. They look like a flag. They are very black. they always come over you because they like it when you are sweaty. They like sweat.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So when
You are coming.
you are coming, I
Get
think you get some like some
repellent.
yeah, repellent to get them all. And also you can get the hats. You know, up there are no shade.
Okay.
Unlike the lower fall, which are there are shade that you can easily walk and camp. But up there, there's no shade, so the sun can, you know, hit you directly.
But as for water, it's a
Yeah.
no-brainer. That one you need to.
That
you
one
need
there
to
you
have
need
your
to you
water.
at least for the hike you have to take like uh, 2 liters each. That will be okay. Yeah, for the hike.
Okay.
Because the hike that's a long hike will take like 6 hours, so you have to get like 2 liters each. That'll be okay. And get some bananas for your energy. You know. Yeah.
Okay, and lastly, this community is called Wli.
Yeah. So yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about the name?
So Wli actually means in my own in my dialect, Wli actually means struggle. Yeah. So in my ancestors' time, the struggle to gain the land, this particular, you know, Wli community, the struggle for it. There are other communities that wanted this land from themselves, but my ancestors fought with them and they got the victory. And now Wli is mine.
Okay, so that's how come we go.
Yeah. So when you go to other communities, they also have their own, you know, meaning.
And then, before it escapes me, is what of the Agumatsa?
So Agumatsa is actually the name of the waterfall, which simply means allow me to flow. So the Agumatsa is saying that they should allow him to flow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So back in those days, like there are trees blocking it from flowing. So he's saying Agumatsa. So
allow me
it's asking permission to flow.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
So Wli is the name of the community.
Yeah, Agumatsa is the name of the
waterfalls. That's why we call it Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It makes sense. But today, unfortunately, I'm not doing the upper falls because it's almost about 4 p.m. It's getting late. And you said it's going to take about 6 hours.
Yeah.
So there's the lower falls. And then our guide briefed us. So we'll be expecting to see you. You are definitely going to have a great time. And can you tell people, maybe probably you are from Accra, and then you want the location to this place? Can you help? Where do you stop? Like maybe from Accra, where should you stop?
Oh, okay. So when you are coming from Accra, I think you have to take a car that will take you straight to Hohwe. From Hohwe, it's an easy location for you to get like a ride, a Wli car straight to Wli Waterfall. Yeah. So I think that's the quickest
way to get here.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time.
Welcome.
Whether you are a nature lover, hiker, photographer, or someone looking for a great experience, Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls is a location that deserves to be on your travel list. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. I'm out.